Hi there. Today we're going to be talking about collagen, amino acids and peptides. Many skincare products talk about collagen, amino acids and peptides, and just because they say these buzzwords, the prices are through the roof. So let's actually find out how these amino acids and peptides is related to collagen. What exactly is this collagen? What does it do for the skin? And then we'll know more about what exactly these skincare products are trying to say. Let's get started. Collagen is the most abundant protein found in our skin. 75% of our skin is made up of collagen. It's found in the extracellular matrix, that means in between the cells. It is the glue that holds the cells together. The cells, imagine them like bricks. Collagen, it's holding these cells together. It's a glue that holds these cells together. It keeps the skin firm. It gives the skin its strength. If the amount of collagen reduces, the cells, they're not held together tightly anymore because the glue is become weakened. And so they kind of collapse, the cells collapse and the skin starts sagging. The amount of collagen reduces by at least 1% after we reach the age of 20. Yes, from 20 onwards, our amount of collagen reduces by 1% each year. Now that's collagen. Now let's understand how amino acids and peptides come into play. A single molecule of collagen is made up of 3 chains of amino acids. It's made up of 3 chains of amino acids. And each chain again is made up of multiple amino acids. So we've got 3 chains. Each chain made up of multiple amino acids. And these 3 chains intertwine with each other to form one single molecule of collagen. So you could say that these amino acids are the building blocks of collagen because all these amino acids come together to form this collagen. And that's, now you understand when the skincare products say something about amino acids or something, this is how it's related to collagen. Collagen gives the skin its strength. It prevents it from sagging, and collagen is made up of many amino acids. Yeah, it's many amino acids come together to form a single molecule of collagen. Then what exactly are peptides? 2 to 3 amino acids together is called a peptide. We would have heard the name peptide as well, mentioned by many skincare manufacturers. So this is what they mean. 2 to 3 amino acids together are called peptides. So that's it. So collagen, building blocks of collagen is the amino acids, and 2 to 3 amino acids together is called a peptide. Now be wary of the skincare manufacturers which say they can help you with the production of, the products can help with the production of peptides and amino acids and all that. We've got to treat all that with a pinch of salt because you see, it has to enter into the deeper layers of skin to do its magic of helping with this collagen building and everything. And not all the products which say they do that. So just be wary of that. So one thing with collagen is with age, it reduces. After the age of 20, it reduces by 1% each year. As collagen reduces, the skin starts sagging. And once the skin starts sagging, that's when, all the fine lines and the wrinkles and all that start appearing. We cannot do anything about age, but there is a lot we can do about sun's UV radiation. We have to apply sunscreen, reapply sunscreen at regular intervals to prevent the damage the sun's rays causes to collagen. Without sunscreen, the sun's UV radiation will penetrate, get into the deeper layers of skin and destroy that collagen. So sunscreen always. So that's it for this video. A very quick recap. Collagen gives the skin its strength. It keeps the skin firm. One single molecule of collagen is made up of thousands of amino acids. 2 to 3 amino acids together is called a peptide. That's about it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and then subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. At skincabin.com, we make skincare easy. We've got a search bar where you can type in the name of your product and we will decode all the ingredients in the product. Until next video, bye.